Hey there guys, how's it going? And today we're going to be talking about the Armor Tire Foam Protectant. Yeah, now a lot of people like to have their tires looking nice and clean, and there's a lot of people that don't clean their car at all. Basically, people like it if they have something that they can just spray on and just walk away. Now this tire foam Armor All is supposed to do that. It kind of does do it. Don't be under the impression that when you spray it on, it's going to look like an enamel or something like that, like you can see your face in the tire or anything. Basically, what it does is it protects and it brings out that nice color that you had of the tire brand new when you first got it. I mean, it didn't have, like, when you bought it, it didn't shine, right? It was kind of like a flat, clean, like dark black smooth color, right? And that's basically what this does. There is a slight shine to it, and it does have a shine on the can, but in order to get that really deep down shine like a lot of people want, you're gonna have to actually use something that you can scrub in. So basically what this does is protects and brings out that nice darkness and makes it so that your tire is protected from cracking, fading, getting that dull look. So basically what you do is you shake it well like this and you spray it on like that. And you basically walk away. Now, over time, you sit and wait for it a while. It takes a good, 5 to 10 minutes to really come through. I mean, without seeing any white at all left. But, you can kind of see the darkness coming through versus this color, this dullness. But yeah, that's basically what it does. Over time, after it sits here a while, you'll see that all of this whiteness is gone, and you'll just have your dark color back, and with a slight shine to it. It'll be nice, really good. Yeah, I like it a lot. It's a really, really good product. Armor All has always had a very good reputation for making all kind of things shine. I've used Armor All for a long time now, many years. Upholstery, the dash of the car, all kind of different things, and I've never really had a problem with dealing with. It's a very good product, especially for things that are black. Nothing shines like black, and this is basically the black that people are looking for when they get this product. Now, so you see it best on the top here, and it lasts a good while. I'll say when I use it, I am good for about, I'll say, a week, before I feel like I have to do it again, and it's not expensive. Yeah. And what it does is it's supposed to, the foam gets on there, and for small particles of dirt and dust that gets on the tire, it's supposed to kind of flow it away somehow, because it's supposed to kind of clean it too, but you're not supposed to have to touch it, So it kind of does that, but like, you can't have like mud or anything on your tire for it to do that. It just has to be kind of dusty, you know. I mean, that's not gonna come off with this. It may be a little darker, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna still see it kind of on there. So yeah, I mean, it works pretty well. It's not bad at all. And you see, it's still kind of white there where it was sprayed a little thicker, but you can see how much darker it's gonna be over time. Over, say, the next like 5 to 10 minutes, the whiteness will completely be gone, and it will have a nice little darkness to it with a slight shine, and it'll be a bit cleaner. So yeah, I like it a lot. It's a very, very good product. And that is Armorall Tire Foam Protectant. Very good. I have no qualms about it. It just cleans slightly. I wish it would clean extremely well. I mean, as far as if it was really dirty, like if you ran through the mud or something. Someday maybe they'll have that. But as of now, no, not yet. It's a good product. I like it a lot. All right, that's Armorall Tire Foam. All right, I hope you use this information. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.